In every piece of wood, there is a hidden story waiting to be carved, shaped, and brought to life. For centuries, people have worked with wood not only to build shelters and tools but also to create beauty, meaning, and value. Today, the craft of woodworking has become more than a hobby. It has evolved into a powerful pathway, a path that allows you to build a business with your own hands, turn simple raw materials into desired products, and transform creativity into income. And the best part? You don't have to be a master craftsman to begin. In this video, we explore the journey of turning wood into wealth through high-demand wood projects made especially for beginners. Whether you are working from a small corner of your home, from your backyard, or from a humble workshop, you can start right where you are. All it takes is a few basic tools, a willingness to learn, and a vision for what your hands can create. The world around us is shifting. More people want handcrafted goods. More customers are choosing sustainable, natural, long-lasting items over mass-produced factory products. And that means there is real demand for wooden crafts, demand that you can meet. From decor to furniture, from simple everyday items to unique art, every piece can hold value, meaning, and financial opportunity. So in this journey, you and I are going to walk step by step. We'll talk about the types of wood projects that sell fast. We'll explore what makes a product attractive to buyers. And most importantly, we will learn how to start small and grow confidently and steadily, even if you've never sold a single handmade item before. Let's begin the path toward crafting not just wood, but a life built with passion, purpose, and possibility. When starting with wood projects as a beginner, the most important mindset is this: start simple and start strong. Your early projects don't need to be complex or elaborate. They only need to serve a purpose and have a clean, appealing design. Simplicity often sells more than complexity. People love clean lines. They love designs that fit any home, any style, and any occasion. So what kinds of wood projects are in high demand, especially ones that are simple to make? Let's begin with a classic and profitable category: small decor. Decorations are easy to craft, require minimal materials, and move quickly in the marketplace. One of the highest-selling beginner projects is the floating shelf. Floating shelves require just basic cuts, simple sanding, and a finish of your choice. Yet they are incredibly popular in living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and even bathrooms. Buyers love them because they save space, look minimalistic, and add charm to walls. Another simple and profitable decor item is the wooden candle holder. These small pieces can be made from scrap wood, leftover cuts, or reclaimed timber. Sand them smooth, drill out gentle spaces for candles, and finish with a natural oil, and you have a product that looks warm, cozy, and handmade with care. You see, in woodworking, value is not always in complexity. Value is often in atmosphere, in how the item makes a home feel. Next, let's talk about one of the most reliable and ever-growing categories in woodworking: storage and organization items. People are always looking for ways to organize their homes. A room feels peaceful when it is neat, and customers will pay for products that help them create that peace. One great beginner-friendly item is a wooden desktop organizer. It holds pens, notes, keys, watches, small things that easily get misplaced. A simple block of wood with carved slots can become a stylish, functional piece that makes someone's desk feel intentional and beautiful. Another good seller is a wall-mounted coat hanger. With just a rectangular board and a few hooks, you create something stylish and useful, something every home needs. The key to selling organizational wood products is to offer clean design and high practicality. People love items that make their daily routine easier. Now let's move to something many woodworkers are excited to try: small furniture. Furniture sounds intimidating, but we are not talking about large cabinets or complex tables. We are talking about simple, sturdy, meaningful pieces that you can build with basic tools. One excellent beginner furniture project is the small side stool or coffee stand. It consists of just a few boards joined together with screws or dowels. Sand it smooth, apply a clean finish, and you have a piece that looks high value. Customers love such furniture because it can be used anywhere, as a side table, plant stand, bedside stand, or living room accent. Another powerful category is kitchen-friendly wood projects. People love natural wood in the kitchen because it creates a feeling of warmth, tradition, and family. You can start with items like cutting boards, serving trays, or wooden spoons. These may seem simple, but they sell extremely well, especially if you choose attractive wood grain and smooth finishing. The secret to kitchen wood projects is: make them feel good to touch. Smooth edges. Rounded corners. A finish that makes the grain glow. Craftsmanship becomes emotional in the kitchen. But let's talk business now. How do you actually sell these wooden items? There are 3 powerful selling methods for beginners. 1. Local market selling. Small furniture and decor sell very quickly in local communities. You can start by offering your products to neighbors, friends, or local coffee shops. 2. Home decor stores and boutiques. Many small shops love supporting local handmade goods. You can sell on commission or wholesale. 3. Online selling. Platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Instagram, and Etsy allow you to reach buyers beyond your neighborhood. Good photos and clear descriptions make your products stand out. Selling wood products is not only about the item, it's about the story behind it. People don't just buy wood. They buy craftsmanship, effort, and feeling. They buy something made with human care, not by a machine. And this is where your advantage becomes powerful. Your hands are your greatest business asset. As you continue to grow, your skills improve, your designs become more refined, and your brand begins to take shape. Over time, your workshop becomes more than just a workspace, it becomes a creative sanctuary, a place where ideas turn into physical reality, and where income flows from effort and passion. And day by day, piece by piece, you begin to realize something meaningful. You are not just building with wood. You are building your life. Starting with woodcraft doesn't require expensive tools or years of experience. Many simple projects can turn into profitable items quickly. Begin with small, useful pieces like phone stands, key holders, candle trays, and decorative shelves. These items sell fast because they are affordable, practical, and easy to customize. Focus on clean finishes, smooth sanding, and unique shapes to stand out. Every journey begins with one step, and in woodworking, that step can be as simple as picking up a small piece of wood and imagining what it could become. Do not rush. Do not compare. Create at your pace, learn as you go, and allow the process to shape you just as you shape the wood. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.